Welcome to our story of The Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived three cheerful little pigs. They loved to play and have fun, but one day, they decided it was time to build their own houses and start their own adventures. Join us on this exciting journey as the three little pigs set out to build their homes and face the challenges that come their way. Will they be able to outsmart the big bad wolf? Let's find out. And so, our story begins. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. One day, they decided it was time to go out into the world and build their own houses.
Remember, my dear piglets, build strong houses and stay safe from the big bad wolf.
First pig.
Don't worry, Mother. We'll be careful.
Second pig.
And we'll make you proud.
Third pig.
We'll visit you often?
The pigs hugged their mother and set off on their journey. As they traveled, the three pigs talked about the kinds of houses they wanted to build. First pig.
I want my house to be a bit stronger. I'll use sticks.
Second pig.
I want my house to be a bit stronger. I'll use sticks.
Third pig.
I want a strong and safe house. I'll use bricks, even if it takes longer to build.
The first little pig was very lazy. He quickly built his house out of straw.
This was so easy. Now I can play all day.
He runs off to play in the meadow. The second pig finds a shady grove and starts gathering sticks. The second little pig was a bit smarter, but he also wanted to finish quickly. He built his house out of sticks. The second pig ties the sticks together to form walls and a roof.
Sticks are stronger than straw. My house will be just fine.
He sits down to relax under a tree. The third pig finds a hilltop and starts gathering bricks and mortar. The third little pig was the smartest and most hardworking. He built his house out of bricks. The third pig lays each brick carefully, building sturdy walls and a solid roof.
This will take time, but it will be strong and safe.
He continues working until the house is complete. The big bad wolf sneaks into the forest, licking his lips. But soon, the big bad wolf came looking for a tasty meal.
I smell some delicious little pigs.
The wolf approaches the straw house.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
The wolf huffs and puffs and blows the straw house down. The first pig runs to his brother's house made of sticks. The wolf now stands before the stick house.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
He wolf huffs and puffs and blows the stick house down. The two pigs run to their brother's brick house. The wolf now approaches the brick house.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
The wolf huffs and puffs, but the brick house stands firm.
I'll climb down the chimney.
The wolf climbs to the roof and starts going down the chimney. The pigs quickly light a fire in the fireplace. The wolf climbs to the roof and starts going down the chimney. The pigs quickly light a fire in the fireplace. But the clever pigs lit a roaring fire in the fireplace.
Ouch, the hot!
The wolf yelps and shoots back up the chimney, running away and never to return. The three pigs stand proudly in front of their brick house. The three little pigs learned a valuable lesson that day. Hard work and smart choices make for a strong and safe home. First pig.
I'm glad we have this strong house.
Second pig.
Me too. We're safe from the wolf now.
Third pig.
Let's always remember to work hard and be smart.
They all hug and cheer together. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Thanks for watching. friends. We hope you enjoyed the story of The Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. Stay tuned for more exciting tales, games, and fun. Until next time, keep smiling and stay curious.